My name's Rosie and I'm studying level 2 carpentry. And what we're doing is we're putting up, they're called Japanese frames. So what we have to do is we had to put them up together in the workshop, make sure they all fitted. Then they went off to the painters painted them, and then we brought them here as like kind of like flat pack, and then we put them together, and we had to put noggins in it to make sure they fitted and stuff. And then what we're doing now is you have to dig a 750 mil deep hole for us then to put the frames in. Then we've got to put them up, make sure they're level, so that device, we use that to make sure all the frames are level. And then when they're all together, the brickies come in and put postcrete in, and then we can fill back in afterwards. And then the painters come and then repaint like anything we've chipped off or anything like that in the process of putting them up. And then it's done.